Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP. Today, you're going to learn some basic pronouns in Filipino. These will help you know what to use when you need to refer to someone or some people you don't know. Starting with ako, of course. This is I in English. Ako. 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 Ako si John. Ako to. Ako yun. Ikaw is you. Ikaw. 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 Ikaw ba si Mary? Oo, ako si Mary. Ikaw to. Siya is used to refer to he or she. Siya. 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 Siya si Mark. Siya si Leia. Siya ba yun? Siya yun. Siya nga. Sila means they or them. Sila. 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 Sila ba yan? Sila nga. Sila yun. Pangit sila. The last one is kami, we, or us in English. Kami. 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 Kami to. Kami yun. Maganda kami. These are the Filipino pronouns you can use to refer to people. Now, let's practice the words. This means I. Ako. This means you. Ikaw. This means he, she. Siya. This means they or them. Sila. This means we or us. Kami. I hope you find them useful, especially when you talk to some locals. Thank you for watching. Paalam po.